Hello everyone, welcome to Cybrosys Technologies. In today's video, we'll be discussing about the Odoo 19 live chat. Odoo live chat allows users to communicate with website visitors in real time. With live chat, leads can be qualified for their sales potential, support questions, and can be answered in real time. And issues can be directed to the appropriate team for the further investigations or follow-up. Live chat also provide the opportunity for instant feedback from customers. Let's see how can we manage the live chat in Odoo 19. Let's move on to the live chat module. And the live chat application can be installed in many ways. You can just move on to the live chat module. So sorry for the misinformation. We have just moved on to the planning module. Let's get into the live chat. You can just move on to the applications and you can search for the live chat and click install. Or you can also just move on to the help desk app, and under the configuration team list, you can select the team on the team suggestions page, and you can just enable the live chat under the channels. Or in the website, you can go to the configuration and you can just move on to the email and marketing section. They also you can just enable the live chat and save the settings. So these are the three possible ways you can just install the live chat module. So once the module has been installed, you can also create a channel for the live chat. So as we just move on to the dashboard of live chat, you would be able to find the channels that's been created. And upon moving on to the channels, here you can see that we'll be getting the Kanban view of the live chat with the name. And if you want to join a particular live chat, you can just click on join and that will allow you to join. Upon clicking on new button, you can also create a new live chat and you can provide all the other information. So here you would be able to see the live chat channels and you can find all the channel sessions and everything. Upon moving on to the three dots, here you can configure the channel. So here you would be able to find the channel name. Under the agents, we have two agents who is Mark Demo as well as Michelle Admin. And under the options, you can provide the different options over here, such as the live chat button. So notification text has been given as need help, chat with us. And you can also provide the color. And you can find the live chat window. So we can also provide a welcome message. Hello, how may I help you? And you can also choose the color. If you want to provide a review link, you can also provide it. And under the session limits, you can set the sessions per operator and it can be unlimited or limited. And if you want to just enable no chats during the call, you can enable this. Once everything is done, you can also just add a chatbot into here. So under the sessions, you can find all the conversation that has taken place. And upon moving on to all conversations here, you would be able to see the conversation that has taken place, on what date, with the durations, the message, with the status rates and the country under which this has taken place. And you can also find the ratings over here. Now under this session, you can also find looking for help and you would be able to see that. And under the visitors, we would be able to see the visitors of the live chat. And if you want to just move on with the email or SMS with this visitor, you can also just go ahead with it. Now, under the configuration, we can find the canned responses. So under the canned responses, this would allow us to create shortcut messages and you can just use the substitutions over here. And once it's been done, you can also just use the chatbots over here. So you can find all the chatbots that have been created. So here you would be able to see the script that we have provided and the steps type as well as the answers, and that's located. Once it's done, you can just move on to the expertise. And under the expertise here, we can see that the expertise operators such as the discuss and live chat. Upon clicking on new here, you can add the name of the expertise and you can choose the operator. And you can also just move on to the tags. So here you can add the tags for the filtration purposes and you can just go ahead with it. So when we just get into the module, we know that we have discussed that under the website module, we can manage the live chat, right? So here in the configuration, you would be able to see that under the configuration settings, we have an option called live chat. So once you enable it, you will be able to see that. Now let's move on to the site and move on to the home page, and you would be able to see the live chat over here. So upon choosing the live chat, here you can find the message that's been given. And if you want to make any further live chats over here or chit chat with a particular company, you can also just go with it. And if you want to just go ahead with the chatbots or the canned responses, you can also just go ahead with it. So once everything is done, let's move on to the website again, and let me make a message over here. Hello, and let's send it. So once it's been sent over here, you would be able to find the chat that we have made under the live chat session. Okay, so you can find under the live chat session, we can see all the conversations that has taken place over here. So here you would be able to see the conversation that has taken, and you'll be getting all the reports regarding the agent and session. So upon moving on to the reporting, here you would be able to see the reports with the agents with different measures, such as the messages per sessions, sessions with calls, call durations, rating, response time, session duration, and everything. So here upon enabling different options, here you will be getting the result. And if you want to insert this into this spreadsheet, you can just insert it, and you can also just attach this into a article, and you can also just link this into a spreadsheet. Okay, and upon moving on to the views of the agents, here you can see that currently we are in the pivot view, and if you want to just switch between the views, we can just move on to the graph view also. Now in the reporting sessions, we can also find the sessions where you can find the reports of the sessions, and currently it is having the line chart as its view. And if you just want to change the chart from line to bar, we can just change it, and we can also switch to the other chart, which is the pie chart. And here we have the descending as well as ascending. So that's how we just manage with the live chat in Odoo 19. So that's all for today. If you find this video informative, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation, and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. And thank you for watching the video.